What's up, soil brothers and soil sisters? Good morning, soil family. So today, we're going to talk about menopause, y'all. We just going to go ahead and address this menopause issue and what menopause look like and how we can help ourselves get through menopause. Most of the time, I know most of y'all have heard people say, going through the change of life, y'all, those hot flashes or those mood swings and those irregular cycles and so many things. I mean, but do men go through menopause too? I'm gonna say so. It just look different for us all, men and women. So first I'm gonna go through some of the symptoms of what menopause can look like for us, for you and me and my husband and other people in the world. I'm not a doctor. This is not medical advice. I'm just sharing my research and my testimonies with you. If you have testimonies, if you have used our products to help with symptoms that I may name, let us know down in the comments. We're going to talk about how you can fix those issues and how we are fixing these issues. So, again, do your own research on menopause and the symptoms because they can be very different for everybody. So, let's go over some of the symptoms. Hair loss, weight gain, acne, fatigue, infertility, irregular cycles, hot flashes, sleep issues, fibroids, a huge one, early cycles, cysts, low sperm count, polyps, depression, erectile dysfunction, heavy cycles, skin tags, dry skin, vaginal dryness, painful cycles, headaches, cancer, tension, thyroid issues, prostate issues, and heart disease, just to name a few side effects when you may be suffering with a hormone imbalance. Now, there are so many things that can throw the hormones off. Our food, trash. Our food system is a joke. We need to source our foods from local farmers and grow and raise what you can yourself. When you grow it, you know it. And that is one of the safest ways you can consume food. Go to your farmer's market, your local farmer, things like that. Some things you can do, such as going out getting fresh air. Well, let me start at the beginning. First, we need to trust God because He's going to take care of us. Point blank, period. And then we go out every day, get some fresh air. You want to get sun. That's that vitamin D that we need, the sun. We need to rest properly. You want to make sure you get a good night's sleep. And we don't sleep when them hot flashes kick in. But we got a cure for that. Exercise. You want to make sure you are exercising. You don't have to go jogging or no strenuous exercising, but just up and moving, getting that blood flow and moving those body parts is very important. What you eat is throwing our hormones off. You want to make sure that you are not eating foods that have been injected with a bunch of crap. You just want good, clean food. And drinking water. You want to make sure you drink your water every day. But when you drink water, you need a little magnesium. So take in a little, we use Redmond real salt. Let me grab it. And this salt, we just add a little bit in our water. We do make something called Soleil water that we can just add a little bit to our water. You can find that in previous videos. The Soleil water or the Redmond salt, and I'll drop the link for this where you can get 15% off, is amazing, and it'll help replenish the body and feed your soul like you need it. So when you intake your water, it won't pool in your ankles or it won't just run through you. It needs to be absorbed in the cells the right way, and we do need a certain amount of salt, but you need a good salt. So not all salts are created equal. Redmond's is the best. And again, trusting in God. You know, we always need to trust in God. So a few more things we can do, like brassica season is amazing for hormone imbalance. Brassica season is like the fall season when we grow things such as collards, cabbage, broccoli. All those green leafy vegetables are amazing, but we don't need them sprayed with chemicals or anything. So you definitely want to be careful with that. If we can stay away from pills, no pills. God provided us with everything we need to live and survive. We just need to learn what it is and how to use it. So staying away from pills. Organic meat. If you consume meat, you want the cleanest organic meat you can get. This is why we raise as much as we can raise here on our 1 acre suburban homestead, and then we'll source it out. But we did things like purchase a half a cow from a local farmer. Organic meat, grass-fed meat, and it's the best. Stay away from plastics if possible. Plastic is a hard one, but we can do better with plastic. So when you get things like sugar may come in a plastic bag or whatever you call it, but we take it and put it in glass jars. Same thing with our milk. Our milk come in plastic containers. We freeze dry, put it in a jar. But even if you keep it in the refrigerator, you can put it in a jar and then store it in the refrigerator. So staying away from plastics is one thing. Chemicals. We have a web store, Blacktropicalhomestead, where we make a lot of products that are chemical free. Soaps, healing products, different things, a pain away oil. We have a cayenne salve. We make wild yam cream, which is one of the best remedies for getting over hormone imbalance. These things that I named in the beginning are not normal, but we think they're normal because it happens so often. But it's just because the hormones are off. Our flour, that white sugar, all these things are not good. Hybridized wheat is the worst. We can take vitamins like a vitamin B, a vitamin 6, 9, and 12 are good for this. Flaxseed is good, but when you consume, like when we do our seeds, we have a triology, which is flax, hemp, and chia seeds. We put those chia seeds in water, or sometimes I put them in my salad dressing, and I let it sit for about 20 minutes so it can swell up and absorb some of that water, because you don't want to consume those dry. So you can mix them in your smoothie or something, but flax seeds are great. The wild yam cream, we do grow wild yam here, which is not like the yams we eat. It is a root, it's a herb. We grow wild yam here. We make our own wild yam cream. We do pair this with ashwagandha and chasteberry, and we don't use any water or extracts. We actually infuse castor oil with these herbs, and every day for 3 weeks I take a little bit and I put it on my neck. 2 times a day for 3 weeks. I'll rotate from my neck to my inner wrist, my inner thighs, my breasts, and my belly. And I'll do that for 3 weeks, twice a day. I take 1 week break. I don't have a cycle because I had a hysterectomy. So I break the 21st through the 1st. So on the 21st, I put my top on my jaw and I leave it on my counter in the bathroom. For men, they can do this once a day, every day, and a pea-sized amount on the testicles. And you, within a few weeks, you should see things turning around and doing better for you. Menopause is real, and both men and women suffer with these issues, and they can be fixed. We shouldn't suffer, but we don't know any better for the most part. We think this is normal, and it's not. So definitely look into the benefits of the wild yam cream. We do have testimonies, and people, again, if you have purchased our wild yam cream, let us know. This stuff is good for even things like shingles, arthritis, thyroid issues, all that good stuff. Wild yam cream is amazing, and we've got good results and good testimonies back on our products. So, and it does come with a label. Mine's just, I don't have a label on this one. And instructions on that, and there are also pamphlets and more information at blacktropical.com if you wanted to print out a pamphlet of our products to see what they are all about. But definitely do your research. Menopause, let's fix that. If you need to chat with me, definitely send me a message. You can also email us at homestead@blacktropical.com. So again, if you are not following us, make sure you follow or subscribe to the channel. It's totally free to hit that follow. Share this out because somebody can use this information. We can fix some of these issues. We want you better. We have learned to do better, but now we want to share the knowledge and share the beautiful blessings of what God has provided us with you all. So share this video out so others can be blessed too. So I'll catch y'all in the next one. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to ask questions. If you want to ask questions in private, shoot us a message. We love and appreciate y'all. Y'all have an amazing day. And don't let nobody steal your joy.